everyone. Tonight we're going to be fixing a vintage meal. I'll be making a recipe out of this Campbell cookbook, Cooking with Soup. And I'm thinking this cookbook came out in the 50s. It does not give a publication date in it whatsoever. So tonight's vintage Campbell's recipe is He-Man Spanish rice. So what all goes into the He-Man Spanish rice? 1 pound ground beef, 1/2 cup chopped onion, 1/4 cup chopped green pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/8 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/2 of a small clove of garlic minced. I'll be using the already minced. 1 can of condensed tomato soup, Campbell's of course, 1 cup water, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, and 1/3 cup rice. So let's begin. So take a large saucepan, put in your ground beef, turn on your heat to medium high, add your 1/2 cup of diced onion, your 1/4 cup diced green pepper, your 1 teaspoon of salt, your 1/8 teaspoon of chili pepper, and your 1/2 clove minced garlic. Cook that until the beef is browned. So the ground beef is brown. Next we'll add all the other remaining ingredients. The 1 can of condensed tomato soup, and that's a 10.75 ounce can, the 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, the 1 cup of water, and the 1/3 cup of rice. Mix that all together. Cover it. Cook it for 30 minutes, stirring often until the rice is tender. So here is the He-Man Spanish rice from the vintage cookbook, Campbell's cookbook, Cooking with Soup, and rounding out the meal is caramelized cola roast. Let's see what Dave thinks.
What am I sampling?
The rice. That's He-Man Spanish rice.
He-Man Spanish rice. All right. Mm. That's really tasty. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.